Narayana Guru College is affiliated to Bharatiyar University, Coimbatore. It was established in the year 1994 by Sri Narayana Guru Educational Trust, Coimbatore. This college offers arts, science and social studies courses, and this college is located on the Palakkad National Highway at KG Chavadi, Coimbatore. Dear friends, welcome to SNGC. I am Dr. K. Narayanaswamy, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Biochemistry, Sri Narayana Guru College. I take the opportunity to introduce the course and the department. Biochemistry is a multidisciplinary science course which enhances students' science quest and research skills. This course is a branch of life sciences that provides opportunity to one to enter into the broad field of science and research areas. During this COVID-19 pandemic situation, life science courses has become inevitable to cope up with the future aspects of the research. The Department of Biochemistry was incepted in our college in the year 1994. The department offers BSc Biochemistry, MSc Biochemistry and research programs MPhil and PhD in Biochemistry. The department conducts value-added courses for the enrichment of the knowledge to the students. The courses conducted are Industrial and Home Products, Nanobiotechnology, Mushroom Cultivation, Nutrition and Dietetics, Clinical Lab Technology, Computer-Aided Drug Designing. The department laboratories are excellently equipped with sophisticated research instruments. The department has got UGC funded research projects on medicinal plants in nanotechnology, and it has successfully completed that funded research work on nanotechnology. From its inception till now, the department is producing university rank holders every year, which counts to a total of 46 university rank holders so far. The department has got highly qualified and experienced team of faculty members who have dedicated themselves for innovative teaching through interactive smart boards, presentations, PPT presentations, Google Classrooms, online classes and group discussions. The faculty members of the department are Dr. M. Ilangovan, Professor of Biochemistry, former Head of the Department of Biochemistry and the present Principal of the College. He is having 26 years of teaching experience. His area of specialization is plant biochemistry.
Dr. K. Narayanaswamy, Associate Professor and Head. He has got 22 years of teaching experience. He is guiding a PhD scholar. His area of specialization, cancer biology and medicinal plants. Dr. N. Nirmala Devi, Associate Professor. She is having 15 years of teaching experience. She is guiding a PhD scholar. Her area of specialization, plant biochemistry. Dr. Radhi M.A., Assistant Professor, having 9 years of teaching experience. She is guiding a PhD scholar. Her area of specialization, cancer biology and medicinal plants. Dr. N. Sudarmani Gayatri, Assistant Professor, having 4 years of teaching experience and the area of specialization, clinical toxicology and plant therapeutics. Mr. S. Vinu Chakravarti, Assistant Professor of Chemistry. He is having 10 years of teaching experience and his area of specialization, organic chemistry. Miss Ashley George, Assistant Professor. She is having 2 years of experience.
Through the institution's innovation cell of the college, our department has started a startup program called BioBubbles. So with the help of this startup program, our students are producing industrial and home products. The association of the department called Budding Biochemist Association, BBC, it organizes regularly seminars, workshops, national and international conferences, national and international seminars, guest lectures, industrial visits, educational tours, food fest, interdepartmental competition and extension activities. Our students are motivated to exhibit their talents through extracurricular activities like NCC, NSS, sports, interdepartmental competitions and intercollegiate cultural events. The students of the department are allowed to go for internship training programs. They are getting trained in hospitals, diagnostic laboratories, food industries, pharmaceutical companies, R&D departments, agriculture sectors and beverage industries to enhance their hands-on learning skills. The department has made a memorandum of understanding, that is MOU, signed with Quili University of Technology, Jinan, China, Karpagam Academy of Higher Education, Coimbatore, Nanma Laboratories at Malappuram, Kerala, and Center for Bioscience and Nanoscience Research Institute, CBNR, at Coimbatore. Through these MOUs, our students are getting a lot of research and other technological knowledge. Our students are employed in various sectors in all the fields, and they are being selected through campus interviews organized by placement cell of our college. Areas are hospitals, diagnostic labs, medical laboratories, army hospitals, public healthcare departments, agriculture area, environmental production, forensic and toxicology labs, blood bank, vaccine production, research foundation industries in biotechnology, pharmaceutical and food processing, cosmetic and chemicals, bioinformatics and nanotechnology, medical representatives and transcriptionist. Online admission, you can contact 0422 2656840 2656527 93614411583 and 7598535836.